What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today's a really quick one. We're just going to be installing adjustable camber arms on the 350Z, so let's get to it. As you already know, I bought a set of used BC coilovers, which are the OE style. I didn't know better at the time that I bought, so I still have the original bucket that holds the springs outside of the strut. And what happens with that is that I don't have all the arms to align the 350Z. It's lowered, so it's cambered out. And while you're drifting, you do not want your rear tires to be cambered out, because that way you're gonna run through a lot of tires. I got the pair of adjustable arms for $135, and if you guys want, the link is down in the description below. First thing you need to do is to start loosening the lug nuts. Then jack the car up and remove the gears. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward install. You just need to remove the nuts and bolts from each side of the arm and replace it with a new one. One thing to make sure is to torque everything to spec and then take the car to an alignment shop, or if you want to do the alignment yourself. But I decided to take to an alignment shop and get the car dialed in. And that's when I got the news that I couldn't adjust fully because I still had the OEM arm that holds the bucket. We're soon going to be replacing the OE style coilovers with the true style BC coilovers. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe not to miss any future videos. Hit the like button if you like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next project.